In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use find to find values in JavaScript. If you find this video helpful, please like the video. It's a free and easy way to help the channel. So let's say you have an array that contains multiple objects. This one has names along with ages, and you want to be able to find the age of a specific person. What you can do is use the find method to find that specific person, like so. Create a constant or a variable that you want to assign the value to. For me, I'll do constant result. And I'll set that equal to the name of my array dot find, and then as the parameter, I'll set a function that I haven't set up yet. Let's say find Tom, and then what I'd like to find, which is Tom's age. So we'll do dot age. Next, I'll set up the function that actually finds Tom. And to do that, I write out function find Tom, and the parameter will be the array. And that function is going to return the array dot name that is equal to Tom. Now, if we console log that, result, we get 9. And that's how you can use find to get specific values from an array. Again, if you found it helpful, like the video, guys. See you in the next one.